Hello students, today I will discuss about lesson number 14. Okay, that is article, page number 47 you take out in your book. So in this lesson we are going to discuss about the different kinds of articles such as the definite articles and indefinite articles. Okay, we know all total there are two kinds of articles, that is definite and indefinite. Okay, definite article which defines a thing in a particular manner. Okay, if I say that suppose a boy who is standing there, then on the time we have to say the boy. Okay, definite articles means it signifies a person or a things in a particular manner, that is the definite article. And indefinite article in the other way, it is an indefinite anything, means we are not saying that suppose a boy means it does not mean that boy only, that particular boy. It means that a boy and general boy. Okay, any boy can be happen. And an, okay, and I, okay, and another things means an umbrella, like that we can say. So here there are altogether two kinds of article, that is definite article and another article, that is the indefinite article. Okay, D is the definite article and a and an is the indefinite article. Understand? So first of all we have learned that two types of articles, that is definite and indefinite. And which one is definite? That is the which mentions a thing particularly, that is definite article. And a and an, that is the indefinite article, okay, which doesn't maintain anything particular. So there are two kinds of article. And next we are going how these kind of articles are used. First of all we have to, before learning the articles, that is indefinite article, we have to learn the vowels. Okay, what are the vowels? There are all total in the green box you can find. There are 5 vowels are there: A, E, I, O and U. These 5 are vowels. Rest of the letters are called consonants. Okay, you have to see whether the while you are starting a word, suppose yes I am saying a word, that is the umbrella, you have to see whether these 5 words are there or not. Okay, if you find these 5 words inside from these 5 words, then obviously you have to place an before the word. Understand? Such as umbrella, U is there, that means you have to write an umbrella. Okay, if vowels are there, the first letter of the word is vowel, then you have to place or you have to give an. And if it is not vowel, if it is consonant, then on that time you have to give a. Okay, so this is the difference between a and an, only vowel and consonants. If it starts with vowel, then you have to give an, and if it starts with consonant, then you have to give an. Okay, and you understand the difference between vowel and consonants. Vowels means A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are called vowel, except these 5 letters, all letters are called consonant. Okay, so exercise number A, put a or an in these blanks. You have to put a or an in these blanks, means if you find the first letter of the word vowel, then you have to give an, and if you find it is a consonant, then you have to give a. Okay, first sentence, first word I, means first word, first letter of the first word is E. E is a vowel, so you have to place here an I. Like that, second omelette is there, O is there, so it will be also an. Okay, 3 number hour is there. Okay, here an exception is there, that is the hour. Okay, we do not pronounce it as HOUR, that is hour we do not pronounce it, we pronounce hour. Hour means O pronunciation is coming, no, that's why you have to place here an. Okay, an hour. Okay, this is an exception. Then unit. Okay, a unit. Why unit? A unit, this is also another exception, means if you get a word, if you get a word which starts means U, the letter U, if its pronunciation is looking like U, then on the time you have to place a. So these are certain exceptions are there. Okay, you have to learn, means if such as university, on the time also you have to use U. But if U's pronunciation is used as A, like that umbrella, if it is the word starting with U but pronunciation like A, so on the time you can use an. But if it pronounces like U only, the same letter only, then on the time you have to place here a. Okay, next a ball, an ant, like that you have to complete the exercise. B number, fill in the blanks a or an where necessary. Okay, you have to place a or an. Okay, same rules, same things, means we have just already, means 2 exceptions we have learned. If means if a word starts with a consonant but pronounced like a vowel, then on the time you have to use an. Such as here hour we got, honest, if you get that, an honest man. Okay, on the time though H is the consonant, but you have to place here and, because H does not pronounce, okay, only O pronounces, we are pronouncing as O, so you have to give here an. So in this way same rules are there. In this way you will do the B number exercise. First has been done. See, add an onion. Why it is onion? Because O is the vowel. Okay, the word onion starts with O. That's why here A has been placed. Okay, and a tomato. Here tomato, the word is starting with the letter T. So that's why here A given. You have to take an aeroplane. Aeroplane starting with A, that is a vowel. So an aeroplane. Then a train. Okay, a train, T is the consonant, so a train. Okay, like that you will see whether it is starting with vowel or consonant, and some exceptions are there. Which exceptions I have said, just 2 exceptions. Like that, some more exceptions are there. If you find in the exercise, then I will say about the exercise exceptions. Otherwise not. Normally we will do what? You will do that sentence word starting with vowel you will place an, and words starting with consonant you have to place there a. Okay, so this is called, here it is written indefinite articles. Now we'll learn something about the definite articles. Okay, what is the definite articles? Okay, the boy had a ball in his hand. The boy means, here we are saying particularly the boy, means suppose a boy is standing there and we are saying about him. So on the time you have to say the boy had a ball in his hand, means he had a ball. Okay, particular one boy is standing here and we are saying him only. Then on the time we are referring him particularly, so it will be the. Okay, the cat is on the mat. A cat is sitting. Suppose here mat has laid and a cat is sitting on that. So you have to say that the cat on the mat, means the particularly that cat is only referring here. Okay, like that you have to place definite articles also. C number exercise, all are mixed, means indefinite and definite articles you have to do from all the 3 articles. Okay, not like that previous one where you have done only a and n, but like that all 3 articles, that is the a, an and the, you have to understand that. Suppose I am reading 2 or 3 sentences. See here, an ant fell into a pool of water. Why an and why a? You understood, vowel and consonants. Okay, Sima is the first girl. Here the means only one girl is there which is first, that is Sima is first. Okay, so Sima is the only one girl, particularly it is referring here. So Sima is the first girl in the class to go home. Okay, we had to wait for an hour. Okay, hour, we have to wait for an hour and a half. H is their consonant, a half, for the movie to begin. Means a movie, suppose we went to see, we want to watch a movie, and that is a particular movie. The movie is referring to here particularly. So that's why here we have used an hour, because the hour is not particular. Okay, a half, it is H is starting with H, that is the consonant, and it is not a particular. For the movie to begin. The movie means the movie is here, the particular. Okay, have you met the principal today? Principal is only one, so it is a particular thing. So have you met the principal today? Like this you complete the exercise. Okay, here is a popular study. In D number you can find that a popular study is there. From Aesop fables you have to use just a and the in the same manner. Okay, another thing I am saying to you, the uses of the, there are many uses of the are there. Among them, if you find one thing in the world, which are the one thing in the world, on that time you have to give that the, such as if you sun means how many suns are there in our universe? Only one sun is there, so on that time you have to use the. Moon, earth, so these are the river Ganga, okay, Himalaya, these are all the one things. If you find any one things which is only one in number, on that time you will use the. Okay, they are, except that when you will get the particular things, on that time you will the. Means if you find any degrees, such as he is an MA, okay, sorry, he is if you find on the degrees you will use an. Okay, though it is starting with consonant by use. There are some certain rules are there which you have to understand. Okay, normal first rule is that you have to use in the vowel that an, and before the consonant you have to use a, and if any things are a particular things is there, then on the time you have to use the. This is the normal rules, and except that some other rules are there which may be also used. Okay, so you will do the exercise in your copy, and then the fixed day you will submit it. Thank you.